Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square plus x square is equals to 32 and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first you see that in the left hand side we have these are the two similar terms or two like terms. We need to sum up both of these two values, or in other words here we will take common x square, and when we take common x square we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 is equals to 32. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is x square times of 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to 32. And now further in the next step here we need to remove this 2 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by 2, and when we divide both of the sides by 2 it will be written as in this form. So these 2 and these 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here the remaining values are x square is equals to, this is 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12, which means that 2 times of 16 becomes 32, and here we get x square is equals to 16. And now further in the next step here we need to move this 16 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as x square, this is positive term, when we move it into the left hand side it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here further from here we solve this problem for two ways. So here we get our method number one. We explain this term for two methods. Okay, so this is our method number two. So here you see that in the left hand side we need to rewrite this equation as, so when we write this term as this is x square minus we write 16 as 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So when we apply this formula to the left hand side it will be written as x minus 4 times of x plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 4 is equals to 0. So here we get the value of x is equals to plus 4, and from here we get the value of x is equals to minus 4. So here we obtain these are the two values of x which we get here from first method. And now here further we explain this problem for second method, and in the second method we solve this problem with the help of square root. So here we apply square root on both of the sides, and when we apply square root on both of the sides it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to plus minus, we know that square root of 16 becomes 4. So because when we apply square root on both of the side we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So this is the second way to find the value of x. So you can use the method which you can like here. So in both of these methods we get here the same values of x. And now here in the next step we need to verify that which of the root of this equation are solution or which of the root are extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement here. So this is our given question statement, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus 4, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus 4. So further we need to verify both of these two values of x, and now here first we verify x is equals to minus 4. For this we put this value into the left hand side, and you see that it will becomes minus 4 square plus minus 4 square is equals to 32. And now you see here minus 4 square becomes 16 plus minus 4 square becomes 16 is equals to 32, and you clearly see here we obtain 32 is equals to 32. It means that the first value of x is satisfied our given question statement, And now here in the same pattern we need to verify the second value of x. So here we substitute x is equals to plus 4 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 4 square plus 4 square is equals to 32. So here you see that the 4 is positive term, here negative term. You know about that when we take the square of negative term, it will always becomes positive answer, so that both of these two terms becomes positive. In that case we again get here 4 square becomes 16, and this 4 square is also becomes 16 is equals to 32. And now further in the next step, you see here this is the 16 plus 16 becomes 32 is equals to 32. So this means that the second value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that both of these two values of x are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is -4 and +4. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.